Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing something special, and this is the OnePlus 9 series gift bundle from OnePlus. So I was able to order it from the official OnePlus store here in India, and this costs about 4,000 rupees, and this basically includes their urban traveler backpack and their bucket hat. So let's go ahead and see how those things look, and let's go ahead. This is a pull tab here. So this is basically like a promotion material for their upcoming OnePlus 9 series of devices. And along with this, they also give us a 4,000 rupees discount coupon for the upcoming OnePlus 9 series devices, either the 9 or the Pro. So this basically would be a free item which you get with your device, which is nice. So here is the bag itself, and here is the hat. So let's see. This is alright. So this is the receipt basically. So I'll just keep it to the side. And this is the hat. And this is in a zipper bag, so that's a nice thing. So, alright, OnePlus 9 series bucket hat, and yeah, this looks great. It's actually made of a fabric, and yeah, in a later part of this video I'll put it on and show how it looks. And here is the Urban Traveler backpack. So let me go ahead and remove this packaging material here. So, it comes inside another bag. So this is the OnePlus Urban Traveler backpack. So there were two color options actually, the white one and the black one. This is the black one which I went with. I thought this looks more stealthy, and the white one would gather dust and become dirty over time. So I thought this was the better option in my usage and my case. So this is apparently waterproof. I have not tested it yet. Of course, I just unboxed it, but this is apparently waterproof. Probably water resistant, not waterproof entirely. We have a zipper here. So this is one of the smaller pockets. And we have the OnePlus branding right here. We have another zipper here. This is the main compartment. And this does seem to have a lot of space. So here this is where our laptop would go, and on the top we have our space for our tablet, along with phones and wallet maybe, as well as some pens. One thing here to note here is that we do not have a space for any water bottle as such, but the space is given inside here. So we have a red colored loop here wherein we can fit the water bottle. And overall, this is a very high quality bag. The good thing here with this particular, the entire package, the OnePlus 9 series gift bundle, is that if you go ahead and buy these two things separately, the apparent cost is 5,000 rupees, but along with this, it costs 4,000 rupees. And basically, if you're confirmed that you're going to order the OnePlus 9 or the 9 Pro, this becomes free with the phone. So I'm going to order the OnePlus 9 Pro or the 9. I'm not very sure about which one, and those videos would be coming very soon on the channel as well. So here we have this particular part of the bag which can easily be fit on the trolley's handle in case of if you're going through airports, stations, whatnot. And we have another compartment, another zipper right here, and here you can potentially store other things as well. So I'll go ahead and put on my hat and I'll show it to you how it looks. This right here. So this is the bucket hat, which I'm gonna try now. So let's see. So this is how it looks, and on the top we have the OnePlus logo and the branding here, and it looks decent. Uh, I'm not really a hat kind of a person, so I'm not sure if I'll be wearing this for a longer time or anything else like that. But definitely it might be useful for the summers, you know. And yeah, I haven't removed this yet, so probably later on. And one thing to point out here is that it is definitely very tight along these particular edge. It's not adjustable as such, like with in case of caps. Obviously, this is a hat, so it can't be. But yeah, like if you have a larger sized head, this would potentially be a little tight for you. So it is tight for me, so that's the case. I'll also be planning a what's in my backpack video with this particular backpack from OnePlus right here, and that would probably be coming in the next month. And I guess that would be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. I am gonna be bringing you some good coverage of the upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro devices. I'm not sure which one, but I'll be trying my best to bring any one of them at least. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys.